Located in the gated Water's Edge community, adjacent to the Cherry Grove Marsh and Hog Inlet, this 3-bedroom, 3-bath gem is an incredible find and boasts an unbeatably beautiful and convenient location. This 4-year-old home showcases many special features, including a spacious and open floor plan, laminate tile and carpeted flooring, and a spectacular kitchen, complete with stainless appliances, glass tile backsplash, pendant lighting, and a huge canter height island with ample seating for 4. The spacious ground floor master adjoins 2 custom walk-in closets and a master bath with a walk-in shower. The backyard provides an entertaining oasis with a sizable covered patio and lighted pergola. Water's Edge offers its owners an abundance of amenities, including a pool with fire pit, a fitness center, and gathering area for community social functions, and sits on one of the most alluring and tranquil spots on the East Coast, offering limitless outdoor activities such as kayaking and boating, and access to outstanding seafood restaurants, golf courses, shopping, and more. Don't miss this rare chance of becoming part of the Water's Edge community. Call today